Hello, welcome to another KB train spotting video, and today we're at Ely. Yes, we are at Ely. Bit of change from the last video, what I was saying, because I've got to do leading marker. But unfortunately there was a big problem on the line between sort of Colchester and Ipswich, so you're going to be missing quite a lot of trains and stuff like that, so it's not really worth it really, so I decided to come to Ely this time, which is a really nice station, I would say. You get a lot of trains here on the West Anglia main line, I have to say that correctly. And today you will see service from Greater Anglia, you'll see service from Great Northern, CrossCountry, East Midlands Railway, and any luck might be any freight as well. You never know who might go through. I haven't seen anything that will go through, but maybe there will be. Who knows? Situation like that. So you can see a lot of rides at this station. And to be fair, if you like any of my videos, please could give me a thumbs up, and please do subscribe. And I have to say a situation like that, and we'll see what shall turn up. Now we've got the first train of the day, which is the Great Northern, 378116 on the front, I do believe, and the rear 387129 on the rear. This is the 1317, sorry, from King's Link to London King's Cross. And we get more when this train departs. Now we've got another train just come popping in, which is on the other platform, which is the CrossCountry service, which is the 1315 service from Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street. So yeah, I'll get the numbers when this train actually departs. Now the 1350 to Birmingham New Street, if it's now depart the CrossCountry service. So it's 170,109 on that particular service. And the next train will be this Great Northern departing. By the way, a bit wrong there, this is the East Midlands Railway service, which I do believe came from Norwich. Lots of things going on here. Uh, 158780 on that particular sir, and this one should be the actually not from Norwich, I will say, excuse me that, I do believe it's the from Nottingham to Norwich, which is the just arrived, which is the 1326 service, East Midlands Railway. Unfortunately the Great Northern is gone already, so a lot of things happening in this station. I expect to be this busy, so yeah, so I'll get what I can. So this particular train will be hanging around for quite a while, I do believe, which will be leaving at 1326, slowly 1318 now. So yeah, so it's been hanging around quite a bit. So I'll get more when this train, when that part, which is Great Northern, I did not get. Now we've got another train coming in, which is class 755404. From Norwich to Stansted Airport. And I'll get the pantograph going up, I'll just get the detail, which is the 1328, so it's right around from Norwich to Stansted Airport. And there's the pantograph just gone up there. And we'll get more when this train departs as well, and yes, I will. And there's another train down the other end as well, so go pause it, and then flip over back, etc. Now over there we've got another train situation over there, which is from London King's Cross. I do believe that will probably be hanging around a bit, I would say. To be honest, it arrives at 13:24. That one over there with the red train, which is actually a Gatwick Express train, which is now Great Northern. So yeah, that one's over there situation. So a lot of trains going on around here, but I will we'll find out situation. We'll get more when whatever train leaves next. It's a bit chaotic here. I'm not used to this. Now we'll find it. This is now the 13:26 service. East Midlands Railway. It's just now departing. So yeah, we'll get the next train whenever, what happens. Now the 13:28 Greater Anglia from Norwich to Stansted Airport is just now departing. Now we've got another train, Greater Anglia, which is the 13:37 service. Greater Anglia from Stansted Airport to Norwich. Welcome to 755, and you can be that. 755 403. I'll turn over here and we'll see the pantograph go down. So they're now run across run the rest of the service on diesel, that particular train now, and we'll get more when this train departs. Now the Greater Anglia service, which is the 13:37 service to Norwich, is just now departing. And the next one might be a freight. You never know. It might be a freight. And we'll see when that appears. That'd be cool. Now we've got another train coming in. It should be a freight, which is from Felixstowe North to Hams Hall, which is working on the Class 66, and I think it is a Class 66. It definitely looks like a Class 66. And hopefully this time it's going to be some containers on it, because last time I was getting so wrong last time, not much at all. So it's a 66 735 and GBRf. And I might be in luck this time. Might be just being in luck. Last time it was just an empty carriages situation. Some of them actually look quite new to me, some of the wagons. Oh no, empty ones again, typical. I'm known to get empty ones. Oh, yellow one. Well, I think we might get a bit of rain, and I certainly was right there. I wasn't wrong there. So next one should be the East Midlands Railway one. For Norwich to not London. Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. Let's get it right. Let's see when that turns up. Now we've got an East Midlands train just coming through, and that will be. I'll just talk myself out at the moment when it's coming through. You can just see it, they're poking through. It is the focus on it. I'll sort it out a bit later. So 158777 on this particular train, and it's from Norwich to Liverpool Line Street, which is the 1351 service, East Midlands. So Liverpool, not from Norwich to Liverpool Line Street. This one particular train situation, and we get more when the next train actually arrives. The next train should be a cross-country train, which should be coming very, very shortly. Very, very shortly. So we get that when it comes along. Now we've got another train coming, which is the 1351 train from Birmingham New Street to Cambridge, cross-country, working on 170-102. And now the East Midlands Railway with the next one, which I will show you departing. Now the 1351 East Midlands service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street is just now departing. The next train we'll be seeing departing will be that cross-country train to Cambridge. Now the cross-country service, which is the 1351 from Birmingham New Street to Cambridge, is just now departing. Yeah, there's a lot of things going on there, situation. Next train, we'll get the I'll quickly go down and get the next train. Now the 1354 service, Great Northern 387, I think that was, I think it's 203, I think that was on the rear of that one, but I'm not entirely sure of that one. Gatwick Express livery, which is the which was the 1354 to London King's Cross. Now I'm going to nip over back where I was now, situation, get next one. Now the 1357 service from London King's Cross to King's Lynn is just now departing. Gatwick Express livery, Great North 387202 on the front. On the rear is going to be 387127. And additional colours on the rear. Great Northern service. That's good to see a bit of the Gatwick Express trains on these services. It's quite nice to see them, really, to be honestly. And the next service I'll get when my phone decides to sort itself out, basically. It's a bit of a mess at the moment. So next train, whatever comes. Now we've got another train coming. is a GBRf 66715 on the distance one, which is because Felixstowe South to Doncaster Railport. Quite empty, this one, particular one. There are some on the back, so don't need to panic by that. Hamburg stood. That's how you'd like to pronounce it. Next train will be another freight basically, but the other way, so we'll get that when it arrives. Got another freight coming in from Phillips to Phillips. We'll get the train 66207 EWS. I do believe that might be a different company name now, or some particular old brand, I do not know. This got quite a lot of containers. This is from Wakefield, Europe to Felixstowe South. No containers on this one. Variety. Yeah, but that's probably all freight we're going to get today, but that was good variety. We're going to carry on and get some more passenger services, and then I might call it a day really. So let's get some more passenger services for the rest of the duration of the video. Now we've got another train coming, which is the 1417 Great Northern from Kingsling to London King's Cross, 387115 on the front. The rear is going to be 387207, which is the Gatwick Express, which is now on Great Northern. And so yes, I'll get this train's go. I'll get more of this train when it departs. Now the 1417 to London King's Cross Great Northern service, it is now departing. Yes, it is a Great North, not Gatwick Express, even as far as delivery is. And we get more trains when they arrive. Now we've got another train here, class 66160 EWS. Wasn't expecting this. I haven't got a clue where it's come from. or where it indicates at all. I just switched off, turn round and turn around the other way basically, turn back really. I have no idea what is this service. Nothing really indicates. So I just haven't got a clue. Wasn't really expecting this. Didn't expect to be another freight today, but not containers. It's not that one. Who knows? Something's something's just come up now, suddenly. Hey-ho. And it's a bit on the drag, I'll say, and I think it's the from Ely Recorb, whatever you like to call, to Wattsfield. I'm not sure that is, but hey-ho. I don't really know. And it stopped there anyway. To be honestly, yeah, you've got some different types of name, what you like to call them, containers, not really containers really, I thought like sort of thing you put, you know, cement and whatever. And you've got DB, you know, DB1, over here, you know, over there we just saw one which is EWS on it, situation. So, yeah, I don't know. Who knows? We'll get more when this train finishes to park, or wherever it's going to, basically. We'll do that when it does, or no train comes. Now this train's going, I found out exactly where it's from and going to. That is the train from Ely Recept, whatever you like to call it, to Whitterford, whatever you like to call it, Whitterford, whatever you like. So yeah, sorry about malpronunciation. So yeah, what a surprise really. And then the next one will be a passenger service. We've got another train coming in there. It's going to stop there. I believe it's from coming at London King's Cross, Great Northern. Arrive here at 14:21, should be 23. And that's going to hang around here for quite a long while, I do believe, to be fair. So, so yeah, I'm expecting a different train, but hey, well, that's delayed. So yeah, that's what it was, to be honest. I can't read the numbers here. I think it's 387. I think it might be 114, but I'm not on the rear of that one, but I'm entirely not sure about that one. That's only guessing, so yeah. And we get more train when things get moving. Now we've got another train, 157785. East Midlands, Huawei. Which is the it is the Liverpool Line Street to Norwich. Arriving late should be at 14:16, arriving at 14:24 on a different platform, what even it says. So, hey ho. So that was that one. So yeah, and we get more when whatever departs, whatever goes on. Now we've got another train coming, which is the Norwich to Stansted Airport. The work on the 755 328 there. That one is the 1427 service to Stansted Airport. Unfortunately that's gone hidden behind this train, but we should get more when this train departs, because this one train's going to depart probably first, I would say. So yeah. There's a train just there, just departing, which is the from Norwich to Stansted Airport, which is the which is their 1427 service. Now this train is just now departing. I might so just carry on filming this situation, which is the late running 1460 from Liverpool Line to Norwich. East Midlands Railway. We'll get more when more arrives. Here we got another movement of the train. I don't know what that is, but I might as well just get it for you. It's class 66. It looks like it's class 66 there, and it's going to park there. So yeah. I have no idea with the numbers, so I think it's 66, it may be something else, who knows situation. So those parked there. And we've got quite a few trains parked up here really, as you can see. So yeah, we'll get more train, whatever moves. Right, we've got another train coming, not what I expected, but it's the Norwich to Stansted Airport one. 755-407 on particularly this one. So yeah, which is the 1436 rather. That was a pantograph. This is going to come down. There you go. You get more of this train when it departs. And there you go, hear the engine running, the diesel. So yeah, we'll get more of this train when it departs. Now the train to Norwich from Stansted Airport, the 1436 service is just now departing. And we get the late running, which is oh dear for me. Oh well, I'll get by it. Which is the late running 755-40412, which is the Pixabay to Ipswich train. Should have been arrived at 1431. Now it arrives at 1438. And we get more of this train when it departs. Now the late running Pixabay to Ipswich is just now departing. And this time it's no pantograph up or down, because it runs on diesel. From when it comes off this circuit here, it goes off to, you know, into Suffolk, which is diesel. And the same as the other way, which came all from diesel as well. And right, I'm going to leave it there now. I'm a bit knackered. There's so much variety of trains, so much variety here at Ely. It's an unbelievable situation. And I hope you much enjoy watching my videos as I like filming it. If you like to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoy what you're seeing. And next train station I'm probably going to do, maybe need a market situation, for the last minute situation change, you know, with a problem on the line. So I thought I'm not going to waste a day. So what I came here, and we'll see what happens situation. And I'd like to say goodbye, and goodbye from me.